Quality begins long before processing starts.
Consistency is protected at the source.
Preparation ensures calm handling.
Order maintains control. Logistics protect freshness. Flow must never break. Stability ensures safe transfer. The journey forward is controlled.
From farm to factory, the process advances. Processing begins the moment raw material arrives.
Every entry is verified before production continues. Precision handling protects product integrity. Clean environments are prepared before movement begins.
Flow begins the instant motion starts.
Pacing ensures stability across the line.
Surface cleanliness begins before processing.
Sanitation is applied with precision. Human oversight remains essential. This is where transformation begins. Control is essential before processing begins. Humane control is handled with strict precision. Automation ensures consistency at scale.
Time and flow are carefully measured.
Preparation continues through controlled heat.
Mechanical precision replaces manual labor. Cleanliness is reinforced at every stage. Human judgment ensures consistency.
Technology measures what eyes cannot. Processing. Processing now moves toward transformation. Transformation begins through controlled precision.
Automation delivers uniformity at scale.
Accuracy is engineered into every movement.
Human skill refines automated output.
Technology balances speed with precision.
Flavor preparation begins with controlled infusion.
Flavor is applied with exact control.
Time and motion deepen flavor.
The signature texture is prepared.
Transformation reaches its defining stage. Precision prepares the final transformation. Heat is applied with strict control.
Consistency is locked in through time and temperature.
Cooling stabilizes structure and flavor.
Temperature control preserves quality. Visual precision confirms readiness. Accuracy continues through automation.
Standards are enforced before release.
Only verified product moves forward. Quality is verified before approval. Random testing protects consistency. Safety is measured, not assumed.
Texture defines the eating experience.
Laboratory science safeguards every batch.
Balance is verified through data.
Flavor consistency is strictly controlled.
Only approved batches proceed. Quality control completes its role. The final stage begins with preparation.
Portions are packed with measured accuracy.
Protection and identity are applied together. Only flawless packs move forward. Individual packs become distribution units. Controlled storage preserves freshness. Timing and tracking guide distribution. Distribution begins with precision loading.
And this is how modern factories produce KFC chicken from start to finish.
Subscribe for more real factory breakdowns.